He's not even saying anything.
I have nothing to defend my.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta RCMP has issued an interprovincial amber alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. In support of amber alert issued in Fort St. John, BC, and at request of RCMP in BC, information issued on March 26 is as follows. At 11 a.m., March 24, 4-year-old Liam Bellamy and 10-month-old Myra Bellamy were abducted from their home in Fort St. John, BC. Liam Bellamy has dark brown-black hair, brown eyes, approximately 4 feet tall. Myra Bellamy has light hair, blue hazel eyes, approximately 25 pounds. Children were abducted by their father, Jason Dalrymple, who is 36 years old, wears hats or toques, bald, blue eyes, light brown reddish mustache, goatee, 5 feet 11 inches tall, approximately 200 pounds. Jason Dalrymple is traveling with mother Dawn Bellamy in a 2004 olive green Jeep Grand Cherokee, BC license plate, HT 184A. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Hates dead hams and the electrical room!
Time for big brain moments again with Zach. I'm about to solve this whole case.
Guys, I'm coming back to life.
Jesus,
What?
Guys,
Jade.
guys,
Jade,
guys,
who was
it?
it?
It was.
No way.
Wake up!
No!
Wake up!
She's possessed!